Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to download AustralianSuper application on your iPhone. So make sure you watch the video until the very end to learn how. The first thing to do is to open your App Store from your iOS device. In the search box at the top of the screen, type in AustralianSuper. Once you type it down, find this application from the search result and tap on the Get button to start downloading AustralianSuper application on your mobile device. Wait for the application to download and install, which will take a couple of minutes. Once the application is downloaded, tap on Open to open AustralianSuper application on your mobile device. Now you can get started and create a new account or log into an existing account of yours. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.